Hi, everyone. Welcome to the second video in the Generative AI Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to talk about what is a large language model and how does a large language model work. Popular examples of LLMs include GPT-4, which powers the really popular ChatGPT, and Llama 2 from Meta, the open source model that has started to build a lot of traction as well. A large language model is essentially a multi-billion parameter language model that is trained on extensive text datasets to predict the next word in a self-supervised manner. Now, it's really important to note the language there that is predict the next word, because that is essentially the simple task that a large language model is performing with a great deal of accuracy. Now, how does it actually work? LLMs work by analyzing vast amounts of text, learning statistical patterns and relationships between words, and using this knowledge to generate text that is coherent and contextually appropriate. However, it is not an easy process. In order to be able to create a large language model, you have to go through the process of pre-training or training it, which is highly involved. Think of it as a sort of lossy compression, where you're taking a huge amount of data, let's say a chunk of the internet, which is terabytes, and then you're using specialized processors known as GPUs, thousands of them, to be able to essentially compress a large chunk of data or a large chunk of the internet into almost like a zip file sort of construct that is then a representation of what it has learned. And then that is then used to be able to effectively predict the next word. A huge part of this that powers this huge capability is the transformer architecture, which we'll talk about in the next video.